Hey, hello, how are you? Hope y'all are all doing great and that you have possibly subscribed. I do appreciate that very much. This is a quick announcement only that I am publishing a video tomorrow, Wednesday, 11 a.m. Regarding a 1986 Tiffany. The Tiffany is, in this respect, a cougar that has been reworked. Some people call them kit cars, but this is truthfully really more of a conversion. Because it's not like taking a Pinto and stripping off the body and turning it into a Porsche looking thing or whatever. It is truly a conversion, and it is worth something. It has value. It's not like a play pretend car. So I will have this video, like I said, tomorrow. So if you don't mind, look on over at the Angry Buzzard Autos YouTube channel. You'll find it there. Take a look. The gentleman is trying to sell this car, and that's one reason why I made the video. The second reason why I made the video is I thought it was a really cool car, and it was appropriate for the Angry Buzzard Autos YouTube channel. So there you go. That's my announcement. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much. Comment below if you don't mind these announcements, if they're okay to you. Please subscribe to both Angry Buzzard Auto and Road Odyssey. Very much appreciated. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.